Have you ever wondered why a kicked ball eventually rolls to a stop or why an apple falls straight to the ground? It all comes down to forces. Today we are breaking down contact and non-contact forces. Let's look at the infographic at its core. A force is simply a push or a pull on an object, but how that push or pull happens makes all the difference. First, we have contact forces, just like the name suggests, the objects must physically touch. Think about the friction when you rub your hands together to get warm, or the applied force of your shoe kicking a soccer ball. If you aren't touching it, you aren't applying a contact force. On the other side, we have non contact forces. These are invisible forces that act over a distance. No physical touch is required. Gravity pulling that apple down from the tree or a magnet pulling a metal nail across a table are perfect examples. They interact across empty space whether they touch or not. Remember this, all forces have the power to change an object's speed, direction, or shape. To recap, contact forces need physical touch, non contact forces work across a distance. Follow for more simple explainers.